I wanted to do a demo for you really quick, showing you just how well Norwex cleans, and amazed me. So as a registered nurse, I am pretty much like, it takes a bit for me to be convinced. I like to see bacteria being removed and seeing the actual evidence. So I'm gonna do a demo with raw chicken. So I have, these are medical grade swabs that test for proteins. So these are used in hospitals and food service to check for proteins on areas. If you can see, purple is like proteins and green is clean. So I'm gonna rub some chicken on a plate. Okay. Then I'm going to swab the plate. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in here. It was definitely turning purple. Like, okay. So if you can see, okay, purple, proteins detected. Okay, so now I just have my damp EnviroCloth. I'm going to clean, just wipe the plate. Okay, and now I'm gonna use my other swab. I'm gonna swab the plate. You guys, this is crazy. Okay, now look at this. Green. There are no proteins detected. It literally took all of them away. Look, you can see the green right here. Purple, green. So the Norwex EnviroCloth literally took all of the proteins off of the plate. So you're removing them, not just spraying bleach on it, like you are literally removing all of the bacteria. So crazy amazing, right? So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. If you have any questions, just let me know, but I just wanted to share the chicken demo with you.